Good morning to all. 7th standard biology. Question and answer. Students, Allah finish the first to fourth question in your biology note. Today it goes to fifth question. Take your blue pen and black. We use the black pen, question answer, heading also. The blue pen we use only answer. The fifth question, explain the difference between self-pollination and cross-pollination. Explain the difference between self-pollination and cross-pollination. Okay. Answer. The difference between self-pollination and cross-pollination are heading self-pollination. In self-pollination, pollen grains are transferred from the anther to the stigma of the same flower. Listen. In self-pollination, pollen grains are transferred from the anther to the stigma of the same flower. The cross-pollination. In cross-pollination, pollen grains are transferred from the anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower of the same kind. Okay. Draw a tabulation and write. Okay. Cross-pollination. In cross-pollination, the pollen grains are transferred from the anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower of the same kind. Okay. Then we goes to a sixth question. How does the process of fertilization takes place in flower? How does the process of fertilization take place in flower? Answer. Pollination is the transfer of deposition of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma. When the pollen grains lands on the stigma on the flower, the stigma secretes a sugary solution. This sugary solution stimulates the germination of pollen grains. Okay. The sugary solution stimulates the germination of pollen grains. Pollen grains carry male gametes. After reaching the ovule, the male gamete fuses to form the zygote. This process is known as fertilization. The zygote develops into an embryo. Sixth question. How does the process of fertilization takes place in flower? Answer. Pollination is the transfer and deposition of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma. When the pollen grains land on the stigma on the flower, the stigma secretes a sugary solution. The sugary solution stimulates the germination of pollen grains. Pollen grains carry male gametes. After reaching the ovule, the male gamete fuses to form the zygote. This process is known as fertilization. The zygote develops into an embryo. Okay. The seventh question. Describe the various ways by which seeds are dispersed. You already studied the seed dispersed 4 ways. Describe the various ways by which seeds are dispersed. Answer. Scattering of seeds and fruits over a large area by different agents such as water, wind, animal and human beings is known as seed dispersal. Plants cannot move from one place to another. Therefore, seed dispersal help them to grow in different places. Various modes of seed dispersals are: the first one, dispersal by wind. Seeds of some plants are small, light, or heavy wing like structures. These seeds are blown away by wind. For example, winged seed of maple and a drumstick, light seeds of grasses, hairy seeds of oak, and hairy fruits of sunflower. You see the picture, okay. Dispersal by animal. Some seeds bear spines or hook-like structures which help them to snag other fur animals and get carried from one place to another. For example, xanthium and urina. You see the pictures. Dispersal by water. Fruits and seeds of some plants have a spongy or fibrous coats with hard coverings. They can easily be carried over long distances by water currents. For example, seeds of coconut, water lily, lotus. You see the picture, a lotus and a coconut also. Okay. All are write the question answer correctly and neatly. Okay. Thank you.